Hi everyone, I'm Stephanie with WTI, and with me I have these Lysol Disinfecting wipes. I wish I said that I always was the disinfecting wipe person, but really it wasn't until the pandemic that I realized that things have so many germs. And so with these wipes, I keep them in my purse. They're travel size, they're just the right size to always be able to carry with me. And before I go on public transportation or in other locations that would need to be wiped down, I go ahead and do a quick wipe. And sometimes I'm appalled by how dirty things are. Even my appliances, I wipe down my tablet, I wipe down my cell phone. After I travel, I wipe down my purse. And this just gives me the peace of mind that I'm in closer to germ-free environment, at least less germs than if I hadn't have wiped things down. But also it helps with our own health and safety to just be in a little bit more cleaner environment. If you haven't picked up your Lysol Disinfecting wipes, I highly recommend you grab some to put with you in your car, in your diaper bag, wherever, just to have it handy for wiping down and have more peace of mind. But that is my point of view.